What's the meaning of begorra? Begorra. Begorra.
Begorra. Begorra. Begorra is an Irish expression that is typically used as an exclamation of surprise, disbelief, or emphasis. It is often employed in storytelling or to express agreement or affirmation. The word itself is believed to have originated from the Irish phrase begorra, which roughly translates to by God. It is a colloquialism that has been used for many years throughout Ireland, particularly among older generations. While it is still occasionally heard in modern conversation, it has become less common in recent years and is often considered somewhat old-fashioned or quaint. Nonetheless, it remains a well-known and distinctive feature of Irish speech.